Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at case statements, commands that are used in bash scripting to run shell commands depending on the value of some variable or command output. So here's an example of a case statement. And you can see up here we decide we're going to capture the day of the week by using the date command like this with a %A. Then we're going to echo the day of the week, and then we use this case statement. So depending on what value comes back from this day of week command, we're going to run whichever of these commands matches it. So here we're going to go and run the case statement. It says today is Saturday, hang out with friends. And you can see that Saturday echo hang out with friends. Now you can, in a case statement, add more than one command to each line, or even have multiple lines for each variable. The commands have to be separated by semicolons, but each line has to end with 2 semicolons to mark the end of it. And then the case statement ends with an ESAC, which is, of course, case spelled backwards. Well, the benefit of case statements is that they avoid the more complex syntax of if, then, else, if logic, and are a lot easier to read and understand. Each line can include multiple commands, and as you can see how easy it is to read and understand what's happening. So that is your Linux tip for the bash case statement. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the InfoWorld channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.